Every human being is an author of his own health or disease. Continuing with the health series, today I'm going to discuss about how to maintain the fat level in your body and at the same time the alkaline level in the body. Even doctors have proved that it is very important to maintain the alkaline level in the body because most of the diseases they reside in the acidic body. If a body is more acidic, you'll have more of diseases than if you have alkaline body. Just imagine that there is a greased vessel and we need to remove the grease from that vessel. Let it be any metal vessel. So even in our homes, what we do is we just put some sour things or lemon. We just rub that thing with the lemon and the grease comes out and it becomes absolutely sparklingly clean and nice. In the same way, when we give lots of lemon juice to our body, like time and again, if we start drinking lemon water regularly in a day, so slowly and gradually that the deposited grease or the oil or the fat in the body will start getting cleaned. If a person has got fatty liver, it will help to reduce the fat from the fatty liver also, and at the same time a person will be able to maintain his own weight. Most of us can have citrus fruits, but then there are some people who are not able to take them or are allergic to citrus fruits or can create lots of acid in their body. For them, they can only consume the lemon water because lemon is alkaline in nature, not acidic in nature, and other citrus fruits are acidic in nature. It's very important to maintain your eyesight, and a very simple technique can help you. If you blink your eyesight, what happens that your eye muscles become strong and they are able to restore the eyesight. So it's very simple technique. Even when you're watching television, just take your glance little up and then you start blinking for some time and then start watching it. If you're reading, just remove your eyes for some time from the book and start blinking and then come back to the reading portion. So as continuously you're going to do this every day, time and again, so the muscles of the eyes will become stronger and you will be able to have a better vision. And even you can try this. You can apply the spit, the first spit, when you get up from your bed in the morning. Then you apply that spit in your eyes without drinking water. That will also help to restore the eyesight. And another thing which helps, you can even apply the spit to any part of the body which has got some hurt or it has got some bruise or it has got some allergy. That will also vanish. The spit has got lots of power, and especially the morning one, not after brushing your teeth. Another very handy tip, especially for women working at home, when they are cooking or they have skin allergy, the washing utensils, they start having some cuts on their skin, especially on your hands. So very simple technique, just apply a nail paint on that portion or small cut or bruise. You need not apply any band-aid and all. So slowly and gradually realize it will become okay in no time. You might have heard about oil pulling, which is a very much in thing nowadays. You just have to take oil in your mouth the first thing in the morning when you wake up and start swishing it. Means you have to keep it moving from one part of your mouth to the other. You can take any oil. It can be coconut oil, it can be gingerly oil, any out of two. Sometimes you may be able to find some ready-made oils also in the market for oil pulling. So just put it in your mouth and keep moving it around for about 15 minutes. Initially it will be not easy, but then slowly and gradually when you get used to it, your gums will become stronger. All the disease, especially the acid forming in your body, will also reduce. It's really helpful. If you have a caries in your teeth, they'll also start becoming okay slowly and gradually.